Hi everybody, I'm Christina Muscari and I'm a furniture flipper, and in today's video I'm going to take this bedroom set that is a little boring and basic and we're going to make it really bold. So if you want to see this makeover, just keep watching. Today's video is sponsored by Dixie Belle Paint Company, and you know what that means. There's a $100 gift card to their website up for grabs, so stick around to the end of the video for details. Okay, this dresser and nightstand belongs to my mom. She originally painted these a couple of years ago when I guess I was too busy to paint for her. Like, I don't know what I thought I was doing, but she wanted to get these redone and wanted to do this bold sapphire color. And if you've been around here for a while, you know I normally don't do colors that are bold like this. Her style is very traditional, kind of fancy, and she loves color. So we are gonna add a lot of color to these today, bling up the hardware. It's gonna be a lot of fun. When my mom originally made these over, she sealed them with furniture wax, so I'm gonna use some mineral spirits to remove that. If you don't remove wax, it's just gonna gunk up your sandpaper like this, so you really wanna use a solvent like mineral spirits. You can use vinegar or denatured alcohol to remove that wax. Now that I have all that furniture wax removed, I wanna make sure that my dresser and my nightstands are really clean before I start applying paint. So I'm gonna mix up some White Lightning. This is a TSP cleaner. I'm mixing it with some warm water. We're gonna wash everything down and then rinse it with some clean water. Okay, when my mom painted this, she used a brush and she did the really textured look like I really liked a couple of years back, but I want a smooth finish today, so I'm gonna take some 220 sandpaper and just smooth out all those brush strokes. Okay, I'm done sanding. I'm covered in dust. I went a lot further than I thought I was gonna have to smooth it out. And what has happened is I have a lot of exposed wood. I'm seeing some staining on the top. So before I paint, I'm gonna use this problem solver. This is Dixie Boss. It is going to seal this in so it doesn't bleed through on my paint, and it's gonna block any of those stains. Okay, everything's prepped and ready to go. I have the drawers taped off. I'm gonna be using my sprayer since I have 3 pieces, so this is gonna save me a lot of time. basically have pieces that look exactly the same as when we started, but it's different because we have a really good coat of primer on here. It's gonna stop that bleed through. It's gonna help the paint stick really well. So this was all necessary. I'm gonna let this continue to dry for about another hour. It needs about 2 hours to dry. I'm gonna put a second coat on, and then that needs to set overnight for all those stain blocking properties to really set in. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I am back for day 2. These have sat overnight. They are nice and dry and stain block protected. I'm gonna sand these a little bit, and then we're gonna add our beautiful bright blue color. Just wanted to let you know, because I always get asked, I used the majority of this can on the dresser and 2 nightstands, and I did 2 coats. So I probably have about 4 ounces left in here. So I used 28 ounces of primer. Okay, I'm so excited to get my paint in the sprayer and start painting. My mom picked this beautiful color called Cape Current in the silk line. It's a beautiful sapphire blue. You can't water down silk as much as you do a traditional chalk style furniture paint. You can only do 1 ounce per 16 ounces of paint. So I have 32 ounces of paint in here. So I'm gonna do about 2 ounces of water. Wow, I got that paint on really fast. It only took me 20 minutes to get paint on the dresser as well as the nightstands. And I used about 20 ounces of paint, so I still have 10 ounces left in my gun. So I'm gonna let this dry for about an hour and then come back in and do that second coat. Okay, this looks so good. And if it were up to me and it was my piece, I probably would just stop here. I kept the handles on because they were glued on and my mom loves them. But my mom is all about the bling. So I'm gonna grab this gold gilding wax and I'm gonna gild up the handles to really make them pop. Okay, the last touch, this is a pretty old piece, so I wanna freshen up the drawers for my mom. So I'm gonna use Big Mama's Butter in my favorite scent, Orange Grove, and I just have the best dang wax brush to apply it. Just to remind you, here is the basic dresser and nightstands that we started with, and here is our new bold beauties.
Yeah.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. Do you like to see your new bedroom set?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Wait, I'm gonna turn this around.
Wow! It is beautiful. Do you love it?
I love it. I actually like it more than I thought I was going to. And we did not want to gild the handles. I wanted to stop, but I was like, Mom likes the bling, and they actually look really good gilded.
Oh, I wanted them gilded.
You excited?
I am so excited.
Yay! I love the way this turned out. I'm so glad my mom wanted to do this beautiful blue sapphire piece because I would never do this color, but I love the way that it turned out. I love the bling on the handles, and I got it done really fast with the sprayer and using silk because I don't have to top coat. Don't forget, there is a giveaway attached to this video. It's really easy to enter. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel, go subscribe to Dixie Belle's YouTube channel, leave a comment below letting me know if you like the basic look or the new bold look. And then the last thing you have to do is subscribe to my newsletter because we have been getting so much spam on the channel. I want to keep you guys safe. I will leave all that information and the link to my newsletter down in the description box, so good luck. Thanks for joining me for today's project. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be back with another project soon, and I will see you next time.